So just out for a day sail. 10 to 15 mile an hour winds coming from the southwest. Just have the 135 up. Do not have the wheel lockdown or autopilot on. Pointed the girl straight at Avalon, and in the last half hour or so, I have not touched the wheel. Sailing a straight line, sailing true. So obviously everything's tuned just right. With just a head sail, we're doing, let's see if I can get in there on that. Hard to see it. We're doing anywhere from 5 to 5.6 knots, 5.0 to 5.6, and just sailing along. Nothing to complain about. Don't have to touch the wheel. Don't have to do anything. I could probably take a nap if I weren't single-handing. And just a beautiful day to be on the water. Sailing as true can be.